Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer Instagram account from one phone into another. So before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application and click on profile picture in the right bottom. Okay, once you click on that, you simply need to click on three bars on the top right and click on settings and privacy. From here, you need to scroll down to the bottom and click on logout and click on logout, and you need to save your login information in your Gmail. So once you done that, you simply need to switch your mobile, click on add account and click on login into existing account, click on that and simply click on login. So this is the easy process that you can do in your another phone. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.